Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to copy a LinkedIn profile link. Firstly, go to linkedin.com, then log in with your account and open a new one if you don't have an account. Now on the dashboard, click the Me icon at the top right of the homepage. Click View Profile from the drop-down. Once on your profile page, go to the browser's address bar. Right-click, you can copy the full URL. Starts with www.linkedin.com/in/etc. Paste it anywhere you want to share it with email or resume, form, etc. Just a pro tip, you can customize your LinkedIn URL to make it clearer and more professional. It's perfect for resumes and job applications. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.